How often do you feel lost in front of the huge diversity of a wine shop?
Sometimes there is a shop assistant who can help you, but not always.
Then you look for a price, for a brand, but it can be risky.
Have you ever think how people will look at you if you buy wine bringing a book with you?
Actually, you can also have La Guia in your mobile.
You can look, decide and buy quickly and easily.
But is it really easy? Let's check it.
During 11 years, Jordi Alcover and Silvia Naranjo have been doing blind wine testing.
They are a couple of experts in Catalan wine. They have tried more than 16,000 wines.
They do an independent, direct and rigorous publication. They don't side with anyone.
That's why their rates are as important for the sector as for the readers. The last edition of La Guia is also online in Catalan and English.
You will find more than 1,400 wines classified by these searching criteria and graded from 1 to 10.
You just need 2 minutes to get registered and you have full access to La Guia during a year.
And as the Netflix platform, you can take it everywhere you want, in your computer, tablet or mobile phone. La Guia is directly and flatly explained, and it also supports images. That's why everyone can understand it.
This is a reference tool for professionals. It includes about 300 wineries.
La Guia is like a Google Maps of Catalan wine, including the 12 DOs, the different certificate of origin strictly graded.
And the best of all, you can take it in your pocket and you can look it up everywhere.
La Guia online can help you in situations like this.
Hola, quin vi voleu?
Wait a moment, please.
Vale.
Jo agafaria aquest. És un negre potent, fresc i elegant.
Sí, i a més està elaborat amb varietats autòctones i està molt bé de preu.
Can you switch off the application? La Guia online can help you in situations like this. Repeat, please.